Okay, I was in Jamaica from April, but me and Sid met in June the 8th, right? I was on my live, minding my own business, and Sid come on and said, oh, you're in Jamaica. I said, yes, I am. Oh, can I get your number? Right? So that's when now I tell him, say, look here, I do not message people on Instagram and on TikTok. Here what you're gonna do. Go to the link in my bio and you're gonna find my number up there. Right? So that's when he then went up there, took off my number and messaged me on WhatsApp on June 8th. Then he messaged me and he said, oh, this is Sid. Because I can't say any name because of personal reasons. He said, this is Sid. Can I take you out on a date? And I said, okay. You understand? Him come pick me up. We go out, go eat. You understand? We did their dance, and I go on with the cell. The video is on my page, because I'm going to take it down. We did their dance, and whatever. You understand? We go one place to sit down and eat. And then after that, we went to a party. Right? Now, upon meeting this Sid, this guy did not tell me that he had a woman, much less a baby mother, until a couple weeks after. You understand? He never tell me nothing because I have this rule, Miss Blinga. If you have an unborn child or kids coming along, you understand? Or if you have young babies, I do not date man like that. Because next thing we don't want fire stick to catch each other and then things will happen and then, you understand? Yeah. Get them that they know. So because him tell me this at this week, when sell me I work with him. Yes. Him say I would not be the mother. Him say a couple weeks after when me did a scroll through in page and me I say, but hold on, then you want one next person this. So him say, oh, me and her no then no more, we break up in February because she this and she that. And the one what if I saw him, I said, okay, me work with it. You understand? Then he mentioned that she was pregnant, you understand? And it's only going to be co-parenting, just like when you say that the video just left out. You understand? So that's what me believe and that me I run with it. You understand?
Okay. The girl where you sip on Sid page, was it Rain?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So that's when we reach out to him and I say, okay, who is this person? Or me and her was entanglement and we're no longer together, but now she's pregnant and she's going to be having twins for me. So in my head, me I say, me want to be in this relationship or me no want to be in there. So I was like, if on both and I was like wondering if we should stay or should I go. So I said, okay, let me give him a try and you understand, see how it works.
All right. So when him tell you this, you still decided to go along with it and try because true you said the relationship done.
Yes. So I was because of what he said, I said, look here, I don't want no problem, you know. I don't want no, even though she does not live here at the time, I do not want no problem. So you understand? I will see how it works out.
All right. So big. The girl, Rain, make one video where she said, oh, you know, like when we as women look into ourselves and sorry for them and say, all right, let me call him back and say whatever, rate. So when she say, who name Akara? You know that person there?
No.
Me not add you, me don't know who this is. You mind me add and see who or no?
I don't mind.
All right. All right, so look here, like you text him back, like when you leave or you get upset or whatever, you text him back and say you're looking to yourself and you want them to work it out. You want him to work it out back.
Recently?
All right, scratch that then. I could left a part that till later. All right. How did you find out that the two of them are FUCK? Me now just talk about the page now. We pass this so. And him say when him said to you and done and you continue.
All right. So it was when I was at the hotel because I asked it, you know. I asked it, I said, look here. When I came back to Jamaica the other day, Him say, okay, because she's here, you understand, we can't sleep out because, you understand, I don't want to leave her alone because she soon give birth soon or one bugger story. And I said, no man, something wrong here so. So every day we used to dip on the road during the day and then during the night now him gone home to her. So me asked him say, bear in mind we were having sexual intercourse at this time while he come to visit me at the hotel. Right? So you might do it for do a day and you might do it when you need to do a night. You understand?
Yeah.
So me get up one day and me say, is you and this girl it's having sexual intercourse? He said, no, me not touch her, me not this, me not that. One bugger story, I just lie on top of the lie. I just be a lie up on top of the lie. And I said, no man. Me catch myself and I said, no man, something have to go on yourself. You know when we find out to the two of them are F? When she come at the hotel the night. You know what she said? Oh, he had no choice than to bring me here. And so comes now she starts spew out everything. When you see she turn up on the stairs, that's all.
She said he had no choice but to bring her to Jamaica?
To the hotel where I was.
And why did he do that?
All the God was because the little hack was, oh, she run away. I don't know if you see the video on my page where she put on a little knapsack and pretend that she run away. I don't understand that. I don't understand that. Oh, she run away. Yes.
She pregnant for real?
Only God knows. We shall know on the 24th of September, which is next week.
What happened the 24th?
And that's when she's supposed to give birth in her second trimester.
Yeah.
All along the man tell me said, oh, don't, I must follow my guy. Yeah, I must them something there. Oh, you want to play to somebody? Then guess what? You get played right now.
All right. So all this time, Vix, Imana live or no?
No, because she came to Jamaica about August, about the middle of August.
It is said that, it is alleged that you paid her fare to Jamaica. Is that true?
Me booked, so basically, Sid send the money to give her to book the ticket and she take the money near me.
Yes, because that's all she doing now. So,
she take the money near me.
All right, so when Sid said to you for you take out your money and pay her fare, what happened there so?
So Sid said, here what Kim, I'm going to ask you to pay I'm going to ask you to pay buy the fat PR. Because you know me I say, okay, since I'm baby mother and him I say the two of them in a nothing or whatever, and him say, you know want the pit. His excuse was, oh, me no want the pit them to born at Trinidad because you know want, or when they pit them, when people ask them where they come from, them I give them Trinidadian accent. You want them to say Jamaican accent. You understand?
Did you know that Rain is a thief in Trinidad? She's a fugitive and they're looking for her in Trinidad.
Yesterday me get the whole download. Yesterday. Yesterday me I get the full download. So when me see her on her live and she say, oh, I'm out here and I'm this. She can't go back to Trinidad. Right now she run off.
But she can't stay at Jamaica neither because she need to go to prison.
Exactly.
And we don't want her out there because let me tell you something, Jamaican people are hardworking people and the face that she have, that's the type of face that people use to rob people because she's scamming on social media too. Did you know that she's on TikTok scamming people, telling them that she have brain injury?
Your full download. Me have a screenshot of everything. You understand?
You're an investigator.
We say the whole 9 yard. And this woman the here come body shame me and she don't know see her fluffiness at work because if my whole never good Sid wouldn't over yet so. Sid wouldn't there listen, Sid wouldn't there so. I media team yard. You understand?
But you know why Sid and her is together? Because they're a team.
Good team. Good
this
team
is what they do. They rob people.
Good team player, man.
And Sid tell them, Sid tell the females like you, say him and she not in a nothing.
Yes, I feel them play that day.
They are together and they rob people, but Sid can go also be charged for harboring a fugitive. But she is a fugitive and they look, you know, this woman have no right to be on social media with the situation, with the background that she has.
None at all. None at all. Right now, if anybody look up my name right now, they can't find me on Google. I used to be a nurse in the UK. Nurse. So my record is up clean like Jesus foot bottom.
All right. So now, you say you bought a car, a Benz for Sid?
Yes.
Why you buy a Benz for Sid, Vic Screen?
Listen to me. So the player was, I was to buy the car, right? And him was to pay back for the car.
Okay.
Right? That was the player. But I took it a little bit further. I'm going to report it. I'm not going to talk too much on that here or there because at that part I'm going to court.
Oh, so you're suing him?
Yeah.
Does he know that you're suing him?
Oh no, you know say we are going to court.
All right. So you don't have to answer this nor anything, but how much money you think you spend on Sid?
Let me see. I don't know what it for money now. I don't know what it for money. No, I don't know what it for money. You never reach to the rest of the man them like the scamming and what they go out for here.
Okay, all right then. So look here now. So after you and the girl did meet, after Sid did carry Thief in Rain come at the hotel, because that's what she named. Thief in Rain, guys. She's a criminal. Guys, let me tell you something. Rain is a thief in Trinidad. And this lady, Vic Queen, paid her fare for her to come to Jamaica. Because she's wanted over there in Trinidad.
Listen, if me didn't know them something, if me didn't know them something, I'd make you stay right there.
Her real name is, you can Google her, guys, Lydia Disia George. And she is wanted. This is her mugshot, everybody. Rain. This is Rain. Fugitive in Jamaica. Be careful of her. She's also a scammer on TikTok. She and the gentleman, Azure, is a scammer. They scam together. Both of them. Men, be careful. She's going around scamming people, telling you that she's sick on a brain tumor and she need to go drain. Guys, she's wanted over Trinidad and Tobago and she's in Jamaica now. And we cannot have any fugitive in Jamaica, so we are calling on the Jamaica Constabulary Force, TVJ, CVM, Digicel, Flow, everybody that can put away this girl and send her back to where she is. This is not a joke. This is no joke going on here. People in Jamaica need to report her to the cops. I have all the evidence. Queen of TikTok, Miss Bling, will give it to them. Any cops on here, we need to find this girl and let she go and do her time because she's scamming people on TikTok. And then she's in Jamaica and she's doing online scamming as well. This is a very serious crime. Do not watch the face. She's a liar, a pathological liar. She and her boyfriend, Azure. All right, so let's continue. She's wanted over her real name, guys. She's arrested. Her scamming also involves clothing and cell phones. All right. Now let us proceed. Now, Vix, when and after him bring her come at the hotel, right? How long you and him did there for?
Everything did started. So everything started from June 8th. So where Sid was going around, and I tell everybody, say, oh, I know her from
okay, 3 months.
Yes, the tour we did there from the ship. So basically, Sid I say, oh, I'm a friend from a long time. I know her from Wapikil, fill up our fear family, know my family. Not no go so.
All right.
No go so.
Guys, this lady been stealing a very long time. And she have a friend named Izzy Mood. I'm sure everybody know this female. Everybody know this woman, right? That's her friend from Trinidad, Izzy Mood. Now, people, let me show you something. This individual that I'm about to show you, he died. Take a listen.
I see. And I will say, this is for those who now coming in, this is Rain. This is the thief. Posted on social media via the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service, June 8, 2022. Today, that is what, the 18th? The 18th. So actually today making 1 year and 10 days since this fucker was arrested. Since this for 1 year and 10.
Guys, this is how long she's been scamming people. This is not a joke. This guy died though. Rain has been scamming for a very long time and robbing and thieving people. So be careful of Rain, everybody. The face that she has she don't look like a thief, but she is a pathological liar and a criminal. Vix, when and after the man bring Rain to the hotel, what do afterwards? Like the man go them separate way, you go your separate way. What happened? What kind of what you call that? What kind of solution or whatever come up right there?
So after that, that's when the apology came out on TikTok. But before all this, before even the hotel incident, when Sid find out some fuck on him head chipped like a rock stone. Yes,
why did you fuck on Sid?
No, because Sid was not giving me any attention. You understand? So we never hear from him from the Thursday from before, right? So a couple days well. So the person who I used to talk to, which was my ex at the time, saying, "Want to see me?" So he come down from where I come from, Mandeville.
Okay.
You understand? And you know, say me there on holiday, and me want fuck. I'm sorry to say it like this, but I say it go.
Me understand.
You understand? So him come down, we had sex, and then him now, Sid, decide to pop up at the hotel on the Sunday. So the other person come down from the Saturday, we do what we need to do, and then him pop up on the Sunday. So I say, okay, I'll come downstairs to you. Then Sid I say, normally you not come downstairs to me, what's going on? We're at the hotel with you. So I run a little joke with him and tell him, say, I'm a cousin there. He must say, I want to meet the cousin there. So Sid now take himself, right? Come at the hotel, come upstairs, and then he meet the other person. And he must say, what's going on? So we explain to him and say, listen, this is the person I've been talking on you one.
God Jesus. People no live goal. Support the live goal. Tap up his. Hey, you're brave enough, Fix. I can't down with you.
So him say, okay, here we go on. Come in the car. I'm going to the car to sit down. You understand? And then him say, okay, come here, go for your drive. Me as a very calm person, I sit down in the car and I go for your drive, and him say, listen, as much as all rain here, rain never fuck for me, this, that, the devil knows doing. I say, okay, and then I give no attention to my fuck for you. What the fuck you think this is? I come here enjoy myself, but now they have to be no housewife. You understand? So because him say, they look stamina for work, he use me out some more, him upset. Time knows everything cut off. Blinga, I feed you or not. You see, after that day, the guy come back, which is Sid, come back at the hotel, Blinga me a voice note and my phone stretch out. The man a ball out and I say, oh, I love you, I don't want you to go. They have one of my friends in there right now, can I testify to everything. He must say, oh, I love you. This is the day before he bring the baby mother come at the hotel, you know. Oh, I love you. I don't want you to go. When he said the money, I go cut off. Oh, I love you. I don't want this. I don't want you to go. That the baby was all. The day before he bring the baby mother come at the hotel.
So why not have so much chat on the media talk about you couldn't post him and this is the woman he wants to be with and one bag of something? Where that come from?
So because him never tell Rain about us, that's why she flipped and wanted to come at the hotel. So yes, him did say, oh, you know, for post me, you know, for this, you know, for that. But me used to sneak in little bit of intendant and whatever years. So some people didn't know that this was we there.
All right, so Vix, you and him not there again?
No, not anymore. And I mean, now go back that song.
All right, so Vix, Rain now. Oh, your Rain start catch up. Come and see Rain and send some message to you.
So, all right. So, let me tell you where everything started off from. If you listen to the video that I have on my page, the one where you did play before, where she was saying that me and her was good up until when she see the message where I texted him and said I miss the way how you make me feel. And him lied about it, and from this everything, the girl start throw shade at me start throw back shade because me say, it's a pity she don't know say her man a fuck out my hole. So that's the same day when she land at Jamaica, me send that text on purpose. Okay. I sent the text on purpose.
Hold on then. So the red Benz, the red BMW, how that go? I don't know that.
No, that's not my car.
You like in your car?
All right, hold on.
That's my car right here.
All right. So let me ask you one next question. You just said something about a list.
Oh yes, we are not but we talk about the list.
Yes.
So when I was here the first time, I was doing a list. Him said, "Oh, these are what I need to achieve by such and such date." Then the other day now, right? This is before everything pop away now. Him said, "No one list." So I said, what are these for? Oh, see where you can help me pay on this list. We say, huh? Now, when Mr. Sam take the piece, this up, bear in mind, you know, we never hear from this boy none at all, and he want me now to pick off something off of the list like me at Santa Claus. All a C-section depend it. You're crazy? Yes, 400,000 for C-section, like me to pay for you, for your woman, or Hargreaves Hospital, private hospital, of Mandeville, who go push out, baby when I keep the day. I them the something that I want. So I said, listen, me not have it, love. I do not have it. I don't have it, me not, yeah, you're getting up.
All right. So, hold on then. That's Christ, God Almighty.
Yeah, so I don't contribute nothing to that list.
No, we have one video that in a
extremely fucking stressed out. Thank you very much.
So that
We had sex last week.
you was a me come out every day and don't touch you.
So wait, on a been have sex regular, not just once.
We'll be back and forth, stop.
I know, stop, my love. Oh, and the voice note, my habit. The videos, my habit.
Right. Who record this, Vix?
Me,
Which part of they record this?
right at the hotel. But they never know, so me I record them. Because I have the phone in my hand, put on.
All right, so basically what she has say, hold on. So Vix, this is outside?
Yes, this was outside of the hotel.
Good night.
Yes.
Night.
I don't know. I was just live and I heard that my picture has been shown on this platform and my name calling. I don't know what it is about. I'd like to know, please.
Yes, your picture was just shown that you are Rain's friend.
Me and Rain was good. You understand? I say I don't have nothing to say. Right? Yeah. We was friends.
Well, nobody said anything about you. It's just that your picture was shown that this is what happened. This picture was shown.
When the people, I was on your live today and I saw that you was posting the thing with Kevin. Now Kevin had the problem with Rain and I was the person that went to defend her. You understand? And I end up in the mix-up. Right? I end up in the mix-up. Listen, me and Rain, we are no longer dealing. Right? I have nothing more to say. Okay,
yeah, you're not in any mix-up yet.
No, me can't be no blood clot mix-up. Me can't be no, if I did get a little too little lion, I probably might have dash out what me have, so. But me can't, me not say no.
But you're not in any mix-up yet, Mama.
Me can't be no blood clot mix-up, me Miss Blinga.
No, but look at Izzy. Them say you know a lot because you and Rain a friend. And you as somebody get you know me, Izzy, and me bringing mix up, you know. I just
Yes, so make me cock up my foot here.
I don't me bringing mix up. The mix up come to me because listen, they are saying couple things me get, but me is not a person who build the case so quick. The problem is me need proof. Say you and Rain was friends for truth. Say the two
me and Rain.
Me don't know yet. Me say me want proof because I'm not going to talk about you and I don't see anything with you.
No, me and Rain was really good. Thank you, darling. We was really good. You understand? It's just certain things that me can't bother and I just lock off Rain. Right? Me and Rain was good. When I tell, well, I was good with Rain.
All right. One Italian. All right. How the story go? Let me explain. Nobody no over here call up your name, number one. We just get the picture that this lady and Rain was friends. So she know all her Rain deeds because the two of them did a friend. So it is alleged that, well, not alleged. Rain a thief at Trinidad and Tobago, so the people them think you're Rain a thief too. Because Rain was your friend.
No, they can't. No, there be people and them is fucking assholes to think that I's a thief too. Not because you're lying with somebody, it means to say that you the same thing, Miss Blinga. Come on now.
I know. That's why I cannot call your name over that department because I would need proof that you understand what I'm saying? You're not in the mix-up yet.
You could never get your proof, my love. The only proof you can get probably is if that I make asking out my big pussy all over and fuck and make money and make fears. That's the only blood clotting you go get from me, my love. Nothing else. You can't get me. Go on Google and search up Elizabeth Solomon. Go and search my panty. My record clean, my love.
Because I was looking in the pictures in the Google and I didn't see you. The only place I saw you.
I went for my visa recently. You can't see me nowhere. I passed through the visa place and they take my fingerprint and everything.
That's what I'm saying. Your file came, but it's nothing bad. So they're just telling me that this is the friend. So
not
the
me, and me and Rain is not friends. Me and Rain is not friends. Let's stop that. Me and Rain is not no friends.
All right.
The lion, the things
so we won't say. All right, so we won't say that. We won't say anything.
Thank you so much. You all please don't post up my picture, man. I was no live trying to hustle because to me as a beggar, I'm not a scammer, I'm a beggar. The friends.
The whole away. All right then.
Okay, baby.
All right. So Vic, me say the recording. You are recording. The two of them, and may I ask you again, which part them did they? The hotel or outside the hotel?
So they were on the hotel premises. I did not give them permission to come on the hotel. So them both through and walk through, and the story that Sid had told me is that she run away and gone to the bus stop and she have $100 in her name. That was the story that he told before she come at the hotel. So that's something what they plan to. And that's a few regular line. Oh, she run away. She run away going with my kids.
These people, Vix, they are scammer. And from the man straight down to the woman, I think the man is involved in this scamming now. And then now, it's a good thing him not get much out of you either. It's a good thing you wise up. So what broke your back now? What the straw that broke the camel back? Why you left him? What happened?
All right. What happened now? Like me said, me at the hotel and I was not getting enough attention. You understand? Because when me and him they there now and the woman never there now. Me I sleep in place. Me I sleep. You understand? We're there on the road day and night. We go a party. We go out Dolly Sunday. We go a Mecca. We're there all over the place like a Captain America. We're there all over the place like Captain America when I was here the first time. But church, we not even go to church, love. Yes. You understand? The only difference between me and Louise is because I make my own money. Louise work for other people.
And get inheritance.
Yes, I get inheritance and pension. I don't get those things. I trade for my money.
My comment section, let me tell you something. I want to keep it clean. Alright? Moderator. Alright then. Vix, one thing me can tell you. I'm glad say you're done with the boy. Because this boy and this girl are in this together.
Yep.
You hear what the girl say? You hear what the girl say when upon the video? Sila, let me make the people them hear what the girl say upon the video. Listen what she say.
Because I was extremely fucking stressed out. Thank you very much.
So that
We had sex last week.
you was a me come home every day and don't touch you.
So wait, on a been having sex regular, not just once.
Will the back and forth stop?
Alright, you hear? She knows say you and him didn't have sex. But she never did know someone have sex so often. So this is why me I try to tell her say he's in on it too. She's in on it too. She knows say him a fuck. That's something this what them do all the time. Now me hear say Coco, one next girl named Coco say him did that with her. She did that with him and him a chopper.
Oh, listen, me have receipt round here. But Coca come up here and talk about for yourself.
You know, this hurt me nerve. Me not gonna lie to you. This hurt my nerve. May I tell you how this hurt my nerve? But you know one thing I'm glad for? You have sense. You know, sit down.
I catch it right in time.
Yes, that's what I'm glad for and thank God for.
Yeah.
So
they can reach other people, but I know me alone, you know. You see after I've made that announcement the Friday, you see messages from other girls.
Me have one question, but me know why you feel bad. Alright? What you seeing at him? Because him not really do nothing for me. What you seeing at him?
Why me wonder if I owe your money in the go.
Are you just, me know like when you just see them feel drunk and just want to help them or give them a little boost. What did you see in him?
Listen, me sit down and me ask myself that the same question. All the clothes me carry for the boy. One suitcase full of clothes.
Alright, me think me know what. You just try upgrade him like to your level then. Yeah, you want him for, you know that look there. You know that little have my woman foreign look there. Alright, me get it now. Wagwan Italian?
Wagwan,
she no want you know. She no want blood clot.
No, me just come for ask Vix if me can beg her to eat. Cause I find what you
yes, me make sure
no,
tell
me
her
beg her
before you
eat. Just one eat, please.
It's because Sid.
Just one eat. That's all I am begging. One eat. Not two, not three. One.
No, listen to me now, Italian. It's because Sid was not doing the eating. Me already find somebody to replace him already. But
Jesus Christ.
This person has done the eating and everything already, just the same.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah,
and look how long we did our route for the eating.
You're late, man. You're late.
Jesus Christ. Well, if him not eat it, gonna make a squirt and them thing, they just link me, man, cause I'm ready anytime I'm ready, If him not put no ice cream on it and no honey and them thing, they just link me. You see me? If him not get him knife and fork, just link me. Just link me, Blinga, bye. Thank you, love you, Blinga. Vix, link me.
Vix, one thing me can tell you, and this is not a joke. Your inbox is going to be so full.
No, my inbox off. My inbox is off.
You turn it off?
Yeah, me turn it off.
Lord Jesus Christ. Girl.
Me turn it off. Me see all people that left them message, their number in a comment, I don't look.
No, you don't need, let me tell you. Me glad say you catch up, you pick up on this quick and fast. So now, you say you're in a court with him. Is it that you're in court because you want back all the way you spend, or what's the
what? All right. So when we send to give him money wise, I don't know big portion. I don't know millions. It's not no millions, but I say we can't get too much in the details. But when everything over, then we can come and here come talk about it.
Yes, cause some things I want to ask you, but me can't ask you because you know. So me I go leave it until when time.
Yes.
Cause me can't get to ask you what I want to ask you. Watch ya.
Yeah.
Me can't get to ask you, but the same.
Yeah, good night, Miss Blinga.
Azure.
No, I never say anything, Miss Blinga. I just come and say good night, right? Obviously, as somebody share the life to me, all the way up on TikTok, and we know say whenever anything serious come up, you talk about it, right?
Yeah, and this serious Azure.
And it is, and you split justice, right? Obviously, as you said, all the way I got court. That's why, for me, I don't really say anything because I'm not an aggressive person. I understand how it works. See? But I just have, you can ask me anything, once it's not detailed.
Alright, so Azure, listen. What's the big scheme out here, Pani Appa? What's it say she's a nice, kind person? Why did you never just, she look like somebody where you can talk to about anything. Why you never just tell her the truth up front the first time? What the reason for that?
Alright, so I'll talk it as it is because there's nothing.
Please don't curse him, okay?
Yes.
Alright.
One, as I don't know, it's three persons involved in this, right? The other party, which is Rain, me and her have been dating since last year, right? Along the line of me and her dating, me and her left, they back, left, they back, left, they back, on and off. Zane? When me and her they left one at a time, they start talk to Vix Queen Kim, right? When me and Rain fix, me never stop talk to Kim. I talk to both. Right?
Thank you, Empress. Guys, gonna push up the score. And come.
Yeah, me I talk to both of them. Like, when we say talk to both of them, me not talk, me I have matey and side chick, matey and side chick, or this. Me in a two relationship. It happens. Man have two women, some man have this amount of man, it happens.
Did Rain know about Vix Kim?
No, she never know. When Rain asks about Vix, they say no. She's just somebody that supports me. When Vix asks about Rain, and multiple times when me and Vix talk and Vix asks about Rain, me and Rain not talk. Then we start talk. It's on and off.
Alright, so when you were going to the hotel at daytime for go be with Vix, including sex and everything, and you were going back home to Rain, what was the reason why, right there, so why you never did tell Rain right there to say you have a next woman?
That's where I go wrong. Again.
Alright, when you did that with Coco, you did that with Rain?
No.
You say you and Rain was on and off, on and off. So in the time when you and Rain was off, that's when you did that with Coco?
No, Rain is after Coco. But that's way before Blinga. We are talking about Vix right now. But when I talk to Coco, I not talk to Rain.
Alright, so why you feel like, say, you never did come clean at any point with Vix? Because una have sex, una have fun, una all over the place, una live una life, una enjoy stuff. Why you never feel at no point as you're like, say you want to say?
That may I try to show you Blinga. I caught in a one moment with two women. And one point, one woman is bringing my children. Zane, we off and we on. But you see the main factor then, I have to stick. And you see once me and her they run each other, there's always hope. But at the end of the day, me and Vix meet while me and her off. And me and Vix have good times, me and Vix alright. And I just end up in a two relationship. There's no story, no excuse about it. I end up in a two relationship.
And then you choose Rain to be with.
And then what happened next is after two of them, so them have to say to each other, because the online thing did start between two of them, where them are throw at each other. You understand?
How that start? Rain catch you in a text message, or how Rain know about say the two on our sleep together?
Alright, I'm gonna tell you how it start now. I'm beside Rain, right? One message coming from my phone, Vic sent a message where say, I miss how you make me feel. That before she reached back at Jamaica. Zane, when Rain see that drop down on my phone, the first thing Rain do, I try to call Vix the same night because them know each other before me, because Rain did reach out to her regarding trading. So they have our number from then. Zane, after that now, when Rain reach out to try to call Vix, Vix not got answer. Or Vix do it because Vix never want no problem. She not open her mouth. You understand? Zane, and then I personally can't tell you how it start, but then two of them start throw shades on them status. You understand? Again, that's how it start.
Yes, she do trading people. When it done, me make she telling about it. Yeah.
Yes. After that now, Zane, we forward to the hotel night. Two of them come across, two of them talk for them style of story. Again, in a two relationship. It's not a matey side chick thing. Mm-hmm. So obviously if you have two relationship, you have to tell lie. Mm-hmm. It's not right, but you have to tell lie. It is what it is.
Yes, but there comes a point when you have to tell the two of them.
Yes. So now, after that happened now, because Vix can't tell me if I tell lie at any point, you know, because despite everything what happened, Blinga, no matter what Vix said, I never once disrespected her and what she said. She can't tell you that. Because guess what now? I'm wrong. And she express her feeling. And for me, I grew up, them tell you say, a woman's scorn, hell no know that they feel ready. So no matter what she say, me take it.
Alright, me like that. Right. Me so like boom. How you admit say you're wrong, yes.
So boom.
Me like that. You take accountability for your actions.
Everything let out know. Everybody know. This now, Vix know say, watch you know Azura and Rain on. Rain know say what? Although Azura say him nah have sex with Vix and this and that, they're actually having sex. They're together. Now leave the hotel now. Then, obviously I'm me, Rain, and stay with him. I go so boom.
Rain live with you?
Yes, cause she came here because I told her from the get-go I want the children to be born in Jamaica. You understand? I want them born here.
When did you meet Rain, Azor?
In person.
Like no, over phone.
No, I know Rain on the app from August.
This year?
Last year.
Azor, did you know that Rain is a fugitive?
Along the line, when we had talked, she did reach out to me and say in the past she did get charged for something and she beat the case.
No. Do you know that Rain is wanted in Trinidad and Tobago?
I did not know that.
Me I tell you right now, Rain is wanted in Trinidad and Tobago, and for Rain to be in Jamaica as a fugitive, that is not right, and you're harboring a fugitive and you can be arrested. I'm just telling you this right now, so you can research it, Google it, whatever.
Yeah, man, I have to look into that, Blinga, but me just tell you what I know. You understand? Hold on, Rain. Don't say hold on, Rain. Hold on. Remember, so we are deal with this properly. Mute, please.
But that's what to say something. First and foremost,
I'm gonna let you
I
talk.
am not wanted.
Moderator, don't mute her. She can defend herself. She can defend herself. Don't mute her.
As I was saying, good night. Let me have some manners over here first and foremost. Second of all, I am not wanted nowhere. If I want my lawyer number, I can get all of that too.
We don't want your lawyer number.
I've been saying, and I've said it on multiple times, I talk my business on my page. You understand? Nothing nobody could bring out and think they have on me. I did not say it before. I am a walking open book. Everybody know my business. My front not careless, but everybody know my business. You understand? So the fact all around, oh, Ray wanted. If I was wanted, I would never be able to come here in the first place. Maths all maths properly. You understand? Second of all, that case been a one. The other case I have going on, I can't talk about that on here.
Ray,
it is not scamming.
God no, Rain, you better you shut up.
All of you tell us what is scamming before they attach scammer to somebody.
You are scamming people on the internet. Which part are you sick with your brain? I need to go drain it, Rain. Rain, which part are you sick? Know what you're saying to me, because I'm not done. You are scamming people on social media and I have the proof, and your baby father don't know about that, or maybe your baby father know I'm not saying anything. I have the proof, and your baby father don't know about that. So stop it, you better you stay quiet.
Rain, you need to shut your line, dirty mother cunt, because you did not attend your last fucking court case. Don't come and lie here for nobody and feel like they ain't fucking know you. You once a fucking thief, always a thief. Hush your stinking, pissy, hungry mother cunt. You're a fucking scamming dog.
You want to talk? Your boyfriend don't know these things about you and you're just upset because we're here right now. Azure, Rain is on TikTok scamming people, telling them that she need money to go pay to drain her fucking brain. Says she have 2 man, 1 bag of bullshit. I'm telling you. And she has a case in Trinidad and Tobago. Rain, if you're bad, go back to Trinidad.
Tell people the fucking truth. She needs to tell people the truth. When you do not come to court with a Benz warrant for you. Don't fucking lie and say nobody don't know your place.
Alright. Yes, Blinga. I just want to address all of them something here. You see, when the messages came out with like Kim post about the brain tumor or something, that's the first time.
The man come, me not deal with Kim. The man come from my life.
I know. I just address everything. When it come out, which is the first me see it, I ask her about it. And she said, yes, she have a tumor in her head. You understand? So that I just address that. And just state again from the get-go, neither of the two was talking to each other. You understand? More wrap up this, because to be honest,
Alright, tell us, she has a tumor in her head for real?
She said she has it, Blinga, but I can't tell you that for sure, because Anna like me and her go on doctor and look at it. But
this is not right, Azure. Azure, you need to know the woman that you're dealing with, Azure. I'm telling you right now, as a little brethren, you have to find out who is this baby mom of yours and find out about the case that I'm telling you about, Azure. Because right now you're harboring a fugitive in your house.
We're going to look into all of that then. Because remember, because of the court case where we're going to have, everything have to come out.
Yes, and don't let she tell you anything. Just let she show you proof. You're no idiot. That's where you can go to jail for this.
Understand.
All right, so let's continue with whatever now.
So after we left the hotel, right? I will go home. And me sit down there and me and her talk. Obviously, she want to lose. She want to leave because she hurt, Kim hurt. They're both hurt. And they have their right to be very angry at me. You understand? Because again, me is a man in a two relationship. Meaning say none of the two don't know about each other. And two of them have it say me alone. You understand? And we did there and we are talk. On my way back and when me reach home, me still a text him as well. You understand? Because me don't know. In other moment, them me think everything mash up now. I'm gonna lose both of them. I'm gonna lose the pitney them. Me fight so hard to keep in the first place. I'm gonna lose Kim. Kim treat me well. At no point in time did I ever say this woman don't treat me well. At no point in time.
Did like that. You have a lot of morals. You have a lot of something, boy.
I never degrade her at any point. No matter what she said, and she can attest for that. No matter what she said, I have never degraded neither of the two women at any point at all.
Azor, I don't think you did one Kim. You see them long list where you send the girl as a man fi do things to woman. You never want her as Kim, you did one Kim.
Tammy, now may I tell you this? I'm an organized person.
Me make you come back. Me make Tammy come back.
Yeah,
Tammy will try to do something now.
I'm gonna say this again. I'm an organized person. Seeing anything we want to do in a life, I organize it, I write it down, I have a notepad. Whether this week, next week, whenever. Zane, and may I tell you this?
Conversation. Yeah. Did you want Vic's Kim? Did you want
that's how we ended up here, Blinga. Because again, she can tell you, before any farmer spending or any farmer shooting, me did invite her out. Me go up on her talk. I'm going her live and I say, what go on? She said, me there, you know. Me there at Jamaica. And we link up.
All right, so you did want her?
Yeah.
All right, Azor, listen to me. I don't know you're from Norway, but I like your little energy because you take accountability for what you have done. I want you to listen to me, Azor.
Yeah.
You see, right now they need Rain address in Jamaica. The investigator in Trinidad and Tobago, because there's a lot of scamming reports Rain has. I'm telling you this so you can know. You need to find out the type of woman that you're with right now, because trust me, Rain is a pathological liar. You understand me? And there are videos out with people with her as well. I mean, I don't degrade or put on your woman or anything. I'm just here to put you on your guard. Don't make Rain sit down and tell her not one bumbo clot. Make Rain show you. Rain miss her court date. My friend is a cop. And she never missed. She not missed. All right, go on. I just want you to look into the woman where you have. Oh,
yeah, man.
Yeah.
So, after that now, I have a conversation with Rain, and I sit down there and I think. And I say, all right, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? And you can ask Vix. Even when I reach home, she messaged me and she told me, I hate you right now, but I still love you. How can we fix this?
I did not say that.
All right, so Blinga, you say she don't say it. I have the screenshot. Again, we have got a code and I can't put up nothing personal. It will come out. You understand?
But all right, after I'm done court, then you can come back. I really want.
And
I really want.
no, I just tell the storyline. I just want to get it out there now. I'll accept this. 1, I lie. I'll accept this. 2, I pretend. Because obviously I have to lie and pretend to have 2 women at the same time. And I accept 3, I cheat. Then But when Vix came out now and said, Azure scam me, I want her to tell you what a scammer with. Tell her to tell her what a scammer with.
I didn't hear that, but Vix, why did you come out and say Azure scam you, my love? What happened?
No, I did not use that word scam.
The video when we get Blinga, which is on all of the platforms, is the scammer boy. The scammer boy. Again, this is social media. This is not something where me record, because may I tell you this. Me avoid it all. Anything me know, anything when me have Blinga, people send it to me. She said the scammer boy. Me and Rain had a fight one day. I have bronchitis. I'm a little boy. I'm not sick. The only sick me ever sick in my life are bronchitis or hernia. You understand? And these are things where you're born with it. You can cut out hernia and bronchitis. You can either have it mild, severe, or in between. You have mild bronchitis, and I'm not going to kill me.
Support the live goal, people. Come.
Yeah. When me stress, my chest tighten. Me have pull little, you know them little muscle relaxant tape, that them brown tape where you can stretch across your body. Athletes have the one where they put on their foot and them something there. Me put that on my chest after me because I'm stressed. I feel pain. I got doctor. Vic said this was another scam to get money out of her. Ask Vix if when me sure that I said, Vix, you know, say me have to go to hospital, go open my chest and do some. Ask her, me said nothing like that to her. That's not a scam. Blinga, if I have a list, yes, as a man will provide. But in a reality, you're going to meet women out there that have more than a man. Them work them way for them money. Zane, and if me and a person talk, and them say, you know, so me can't do everything, but what I can help you with, I will help you. Don't stress yourself. And me take up my list and say, this is all the things I'm have to do for the next 2 months. Did I scam you, Blinga? I sent you my list and said, these are the things, anything you want to help me with from now until then, you can.
Did she help you with anything on the list?
Yeah, she sent me the money for the tires. And I got the tires. Right now, I have 2 spare. So I take off 2 tires. So if I ask you for something, you give me money to do that something, I do it. I can show you that I did it. Where did I scam you? Again, Kim, I hurt you. Like everybody can see that. The world can see that. You put out all the evidence. But the reality is this. I have never came at you, degrade you, go up on your life and say, I lie, share, tell, nothing like that. Me take it. Me take it, Blinga. But you have to understand this. I work a public job. You understand? And these are things where I have to go to clients. I have to sign them up. When you come on social media and say, Azure is a scammer, you know what happens? They have to wait to see say me and a scammer. You affect my client, you affect my job. Because I never scam this woman. If I ask you for something and you gave me something. If I ask you for something and you give me for do something and I do it, that is misleading.
All right, so listen what happened now, Azure. All right. So Azure, all right then, listen now. You misled her. And you see, we as females, when we are misled, it's very hurtful. It's hurtful as well, especially when we didn't put time and money and feelings in it. So she feel an energy. So she feel a way now, Azure. But I'm going to tell you what me respect with you in the night, yeah. Me love how you come and you take accountability for everything what you do. Because if I did some man, they wanna do it. So is there anything you want to say to Vix Queen now on the live?
Yeah, as I've said before, Kim, I apologize. Obviously words can't heal a broken heart. Actions do. But when you came out and then you're going, you say you're going to talk. She texted me before and said, I'm going to talk my side of the story. She talked and that's fine. After she talked, I didn't post anything, I never said anything. You understand? Because she had talked. And I like she had talked and I lie. You see me? She talks, boy, Azure tell me this, but I really saw it go. Azure hurt her, Azure lied to her, and Azure made she feel used. You say, Azure, you were using her. At every interval I got to do something nice for her, I did. How can you use somebody and you make an effort? When we are going...
All right, Azure, whatever we're not in a court for, you feel like you and her can come to a little agreement and squash that?
Blinga, at no point in time, anything Kim said, I gave her a hard time. At no point in time.
Kim, you think this can be settled out of court? Whatever it is that you and him in court for? You think him can at least? You know why, Kim? Me just ask you because him come and him take accountability to everything and him system did wrong. Fully fucking wrong. You understand? And him dep on live platform with more than 1,000 people and the girl them see how him is now and them a system wrong. Only thing him need for the right now. If him no one believe me about him baby madam, go on Young Nation page on Facebook and go ask about Rain. As where you are with a fucking thief and you have to fix that. Because right now you are harboring a fugitive. You have to fix that. Don't make sure tell you nothing, go find out for yourself. The people them Trinidad one who are address out of Jamaica. Right now.
Alright,
don't let that girl tell you anything.
Blinga, again, as I've said, Kim is within her right to exercise any means she want exercise because she's within her right. You understand?
Alright, so Kim, you ask yourself, you think whatever you and him have in a court could have settled out of court. As though you feel like you have any money can pay back Kim for what Kim give you or half or 3/4 or something.
It's not about payback, Blinga, because you have to understand this. Before she come out and she say what she say, and she say, as she say, in her own words, I'm going to bring Azure down, I'm going to bring him right down. Before that, anything what she did say to me, or what we did say before, I never gave her a hard time or denied anything. You understand? Yeah, true ladies, I'm not have it, because I just work, I get paid once a month.
Azure, you sound like a nice man will get caught up in a fuckery and all these things. But listen
I know it's true, Blinga. If me look back on it from me a teenager, I've always been a woman person, woman this, woman that. And
you sound like a nice person, but you just fuck up, right? Yourself.
Yeah, you fuck up when it come on. It's when it come on to relationship and woman or
you fuck up.
That would be my poor point. But the thing is, Blinga, what me I try to say is this. It's not a case of if me did ever go on like me innocent, this or that. I'm just saying it's how everything went about. No. Kim do what she do because Kim is being attacked. Zane, while me not say nothing, you know Sharon been a post on them status each. Them been a post. So if Rain say something, Kim I got answer. If Kim say something, Rain I got answer. This is something where me they try can, but me can't stop them. Them have a mind of their own.
So you and Rain now work together by scamming people, you say?
No, Blinga.
Alright, who this, Azure?
That's Rain.
You know what this is?
Yeah, me see the article.
This is a mugshot of your baby mother. You do not know the full 100 about your baby mother. You need to know the full 100 about your baby mother. I'm not trying to mash up anything, but you have a right to know who the mother of your child is and her background, because it's not pretty. So she can stop and change into somebody decent and go do her time. You understand? And this is not a joke, Azure. This is public record right here. You understand? Like I said, you want to know more about this girl? Go over to Young Nation on Facebook. Drop the picture in the group and ask, what can you tell me about this girl?
You say after the picture they come out yesterday, because that's again, as somebody send it to me and say, Azure, you know, me I try to reach out to her, what kind of picture that? And me and her talk about it, and she tell me about it. Like she said, she mentioned that she did get convicted for something in the past. Zane, boom, all right. She has a lawyer where she texts. And him text her, and the lawyer responds. She screenshot it and send me. Say, no, she never missed no court date, and our next date is next year. Now, again, Blinga, obviously that's a text message. It could have been anybody. But I'm just telling,
and she can't make it.
So, I'm just telling you, me just a work off of when me sing. This show me this and this show me. So, me can't just get up and run off left or Blinga.
No, I'm not telling you to do that. You're crazy? I'm saying to you, listen to me what I'm saying. You need to know who is bringing your child and who the person is. This way, she can work on her background to be a better person, stop scam people and stop thief. You understand? Because everybody stop the things and can stop the things. Nobody in there start telling her to left her. She was charged 2 years ago in Trinidad. You understand? But I'm saying it's the case still a go on. Plus, you cannot listen to Rain because Rain is a liar. You think say Rain a go on tell her the truth right now? No. Me not gonna say she not gonna tell you, but maybe later. But what me I say, Azur, you need to find out if we bring them over there say it's true. He knows, Blinga, both of them teeth. Yeah. All right. What I'm saying, Azur, me don't know if you understand what me I said to you. Nobody now tell you if your baby mother, my love.
Yeah, man.
This, so your baby mother, tell her to tell you about the money that she stole. Tell her to tell you about the money what she stole from Francis Fashion shoe locker. There is a lot of things this girl do. This is what she does. And to all me see it right now, you need a DNA. Come in and know. This can't real. Just talk with your baby mother and make sure be upfront and honest with you, because guess what? You already love her, she love you. Have a child together. Might as well she just come clean and just tell you stuff. Because me I tell you, you sit down out there right now. When this reach the JD, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and them feel like to take it up, you are a fugitive, a criminal, a thief, a scammer. This girl, they on TikTok, I scam people. And she need to stop. I hope now she stop. Because like how this out in the open now. I mean, I say no, allegedly, because I have my proof. So she can sue me. So we can do this. We can go down this road.
Well, understand, Blinga. Like me say, all of this, she have a case. Separate from everything.
You say you're not it on and off. How you know you're picking them?
Alright, so when you do an ultrasound, right, it can actually tell you the month you're conceived in. Right? Rain conceived January. Rain was here January. Zane. And again, even after everything broke out, you know, so when you and somebody just go through everything and two on angry against each other, no, you can't talk anything. You can't say what everything kind done in a problem already.
All right, make we lock off that because make we left that alone. But you see, anytime you're ready, like one day when you get mad, you need to do a DNA. Cause you see, we as women, we're fucking bitches and we get away with a lot of things we don't know. We can fuck a boy tonight and fuck you back the same night. I mean, I'm turning your mind from your baby mother. Just something me I tell you. Cause you sound a little bit decent.
No, me can't split justice, Blinga. If me wrong. If me right, me can't split justice. You understand?
Alright, so what you have to say to Kim now? We are left Rain alone. Rain for you. I left you.
No,
I left you
to be honest, even though Kim come on and she talk where she talk and she post where she post again, I still never try to degrade her in any way. Me not no problem Kim a post this. Me not no problem Kim a say me broke and
yes, she earned. She vented.
Just no one. The only problem I have is she I say me scam her because I don't know when me scam her and I came over here to ask her The whole she and Rain thing, I understand, say back and forth, them I go, Rain not gonna make no more posts. It don't look good, Blinga. May I tell you the truth? Just not look
well, you need to tell your baby mother to leave Kim alone. It is what it is. Yeah. Just done. Because if you post, Kim will go post.
Yeah, she not make no more post. I may ask him to not make no more post either. Because at the end of the day, no matter what Kim has ever said about me or post about me, obviously you know she say a screenshot she post and she will post video or pictures and me send her. That's fine. But the one particular thing is, she called me scammer boy and said me scammer, and that me come over here to ask her.
Guys, let me push up a live goal. Kim, why you call him scammer boy? Tell us. Push up a live goal. Support the live goal. Come people.
Yeah, because of what his partner is doing. So it don't come like to the two of them in on it.
Oh, what my partner did, but you say me. What did I scam you?
Everything. All of my life. All of that you scam me.
How?
What do you mean how? You know so you have a baby mother at Trinidad. And you know so you have a woman there. You talk about on and off.
So,
you understand? So
let me understand this now. You feel that I scammed you because I was telling you lies to me and her in a day. That's why you feel so.
Yeah.
That's not a scam, Kim. I was in 2 relationships and I tell you a lie. I never took anything from you. I never want to gun on your head. I never tell you if you do nothing when I cannot show you where your money spent on. Everything where you ever send money for, it can be shown. Every single thing. If you send me 100,000 to buy 2 tires, I can show the 2 tires. If I buy 4 bottles of water, I can show the 4 bottles of water. If me send you one list and say these are all of the things down to the cabbage, I can take up the cabbage and show you where it buy. That's not a scam, Kim. That's the whole problem, you know.
Never use me.
It can be used if we're in a relationship and I like say you don't know me. And I like say when you go so boom and spend your money, you don't get enjoyment, you don't get to lay down and enjoy yourself and tell me say you like this and that. On multiple occasions, did I or did I not ask you, do you appreciate the things that I do for you? Did I or did I not ask you that? When we do the liquor thing, because obviously you're rich, me broke. But me still make an effort to say, yeah, if me I go eat some food, me will pay. If I can buy one little rose or something, I will do that. If I can do this year or something, I will do that. And I ask you back to back, are you content?
That's before me find out that you and Ray did back together.
But all of this stuff then what you do is while me and you together, whether you know if me and Ray not together or not. Again, look it up. What a scam is. And nobody can say me lead you on or mislead you because full blown through everything. You're seeing me, you're enjoying time with me, and you are having fun with me. Yes, you find out say me and Rain there. Yes, Rain find out say me and you there. And then what? Both of you now have a decision to make. Me now have a decision to make too. Me never just say, me I go come out of your life. Me never do this. What did I do when the two of them go at it at each other? Me apologize.
So basically you did I use me, but not about she because she broke.
It's not even about use because using meaning say you take somebody to make benefit from them. Then that's what using is. You take somebody to benefit from them.
So what were you doing then?
What do you mean me I do? I'm talking to you. Me and you there. Me and you don't want a relationship. If you give somebody anything during a relationship, don't stop mute her, no make she talk, no man. Make she talk.
Who are mute her?
Make she talk, guys.
Do not mute her.
Alright, guess what now? You know what I want to write about in the chat? Yes, based on what he said, it coming like me use her. This and that. You see me? But at the end of the day, she never give me something and then my number go black. She never give me something, then she call me and can't get me. We were ongoing. And how did we end? When the two parties meet up and everything was said. That's how
never ask you to support me live goal. Please, commercial break. Look here, I work. Me have to go look for my friend.
You did it for financial gain. If somebody did really look financial gain, they would always choose the person with money when everything come to an end. Remember that down the head. If you are doing something for financial gain, then you will always choose the person with the money in the end. If you scroll, people jokingly say it every day, they want a rich woman, they want a woman from foreign, this and that. Anything they have, they will give that up.
All right, Azor. Thank you, guys. We need 1,000 and odd. Come, let's go.
So the reality is,
where the Azor? 1 second, sweetheart. So Azor, all the car go, all the Benz go.
The car.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you. You see, when we go so boom, I had one Axio. Before the Axio, I have different car. I sell, and then I say, I'm gonna rent a car, because I'm gonna buy one car. Either I'm gonna take it through the bank or whatever. When the car crash 2 times now, one with me is a man, I believe in a omens. So I say, no, sir, this is a car assault. If it crash with me 3rd time, I dead, I go dead. Zane? And again, I said to Kim, want a car, you know? And Kim said to me, I can't buy you a car, no, but I will help with what I can. You see that picture there where she posts about when she show 17th of November, this, that, and that, ask her with the message underneath it say.
Tell us, we're here. You just tell us, come here.
The next message said, I thought you bought me that car as an early birthday gift, but now you're mentioning payments. Just not word for word. You understand? That's what I said. Because she said she'll buy me as an early birthday gift. When I buy the car, she said, here one, don't post it on TikTok till your birthday. Wait till your birthday. Because it was to be a birthday gift. And you know how it end up now, Blinga? When the car buy, you know when you can see somebody like, you know, them feel off about it. Or even before the car buy, up to the car being bought. It's like, Kim, if you don't feel comfortable buying the car outright, I will pay you every month. I guess I'm work, I get paid every month. If you don't buy it, I'm going to take it through the bank anyways. And that's what I said to her. So you see, when she feel things are going left now, and she said it to me, so all right, when car payment cancelled, me respond immediately after and just put the dates in it. Because I had no issue, Blinga. Again, everything we're going on the app is not about the car. It was never as though no one appear in a car nor nothing.
All right, so which part the situation there with the car now? You make payments to her a month time?
That was the plan to start from the 10th of November. This was never about the car. So
all
the problem, you know, why we are going to court now, you know, is for one, she goes to boom now, and she got the station one day, because the station called me. So she did there, that she want possession of motor vehicle. Boom. I said to the officer, she can't claim the car because her name is not on it. Then, no matter what the officer say, I'm not a dunce. You can't say nothing when I don't know. So I said, officer, if me and her had a text conversation, and I asked her something in front of the officer, and I say, officer, ask her if me and her never text something about payment starting the 10th of November. And she said in front of the officer, no. Ask her, see her, they said she never said in front of the officer.
So have you received a message from me to say that I agree with the payment?
Have you sent me a message to say that you disagree?
Yeah.
Where?
I agree.
No, did you send me a message to show that you disagree? I asked you.
I agree to it.
No, but did you disagree?
I did.
Where? Can you show them?
I did.
No, can you show them that you disagree?
You come to me this Sunday when you're poured.
Okay, so it's verbal. So here one now, this is the thing about verbal now. You can say you verbally disagreed. I can say you verbally said it's a birthday gift. You see where the problem in communication is now.
So that's where the police said, how can it be a gift if you want to make payments?
And what did I say after?
I don't know.
Officer, when you are dating a woman and she's uncomfortable with something, you find a solution. And I looked at you and said,
something, find a solution.
But bless lady.
Blinga.
Yeah.
Yeah, one thing me have to say. Bless up yourself, Blinga. You need to take him off for your program. Kim a wicked girl. Them fine girl enter them can't have them way with the man them torment the man them and carry on with beer something. Kim a wicked girl. Kim.
Alright. No,
me
we can't do this. No, we can't do this. If you have to come add to what's happening. Not them.
That's the next thing now. No matter what people say, no matter what people comment under anything, no matter what transpired in the last couple of days, 1 week ad.
Bless lady, no cussing goodies, sorry.
I still did no form of cussing or try to bring down Kim in any way. Me take what she has say and me hold it. As a man, I say, here one Azor, you mess up, you know. And this a mess up, you know, mess up, you can just jump in and jump out. You have to take 2 thumb and this and that and make people tell you their mind. And me take it.
Alright. Azor and Kim, you see right now, the two of them in a court right now. Me ask you to write us up on the life because you all are we are big people. As well, you fuck up, you know, you fuck up. You fucked up. Right? You hear me?
Yeah.
And that's just my opinion, that our opinions are like assholes. Everybody has one. You fuck up Azure, but you take accountability for your actions. And once you do that, me like that. Now, here when me I go ask you now, Vic Skin. You're going to court. It sounds like you're going to court with Azure because of the car. Right? So me I ask you say, Azure, you say you did agree to make payment starting November 10th to Vic Skin.
Kim says she go court in regards to the car, and me I go court in regards to defamation and character.
The first one in the chat we are saying Kim is just jealous. Jealous of what? We can't see
more answer you for what we are going forward. But
alright, may I make your answer?
Yeah.
Alright, so you say you're going to court because alright, just say you're going to court because of defamation of character.
That's what I'm going there for. You understand? Because again, the go where she go up on her life and say those words, scammer boy, him scam me this and scam me that. Again, that has affected my job, my real life.
How is it affect your job, Azor?
Public face. Remember, my type of job, I have to sign clients. You understand? When I go to a client,
how it affect your job? Tell us. So clients is not coming to you
since this week. What? No, I always find my clients. You understand? And then go on them and say, boy, you know what I mean about me? Say you're going good. You do really well. Me get referral. I get lots of referrals. But my sister wants to thing I go on social media. I go wait till it done. You know what I say? Bam and this and that. Clients now are afraid. So guess what now? You see, because of that now, we have to go code. Because everything when she say, she have to go prove it, you know. She have to go show the judge how me do it, you know. It's reputational damage. It's taking away credibility. And when you take away credibility, it doesn't allow you to do your job effectively. Yes, but here what? She has a brand too, but I never once came out and tried to tear down her brand.
Oh, yes, you did.
How?
You put it up on your page.
Put it up. So you tell me this and you tell me that. What did I say about it? Did I go to any one of your persons? Ask anybody, did I go to any one of your persons and say, come out of the business? I said to you, I put in my status.
Rain did.
What? Kim, you say Rain did.
What's the question, Fiona? Come ask the question, Fiona.
You say when me do Kim, and me I talk about Kim.
Statement.
No, don't come up here, come cuss, none of them.
And then Rain know the fear or something. And the people them, oh, go and take back your money. That the devil was over.
And Kim, you know what's true? Where Rain say, wrong. When you say 2 or 2, wrong. 2 or no, wrong. And guess what? No, I'm not telling none of you who started or who not started. But at the end of the day, from the beginning, the one thing I always try to do, I think I have now go at it at social. I don't need to meet in the first place because I don't want to squish it. So if me I tell you 2 or no, don't do this on social media, I'm still do, you know what I mean? I stop talk. I guess I know no, me stress. While me can control myself and my actions and do the right thing. So I guess I know when you live and you learn, you know.
Azor, I have a question for you.
Azor, Fiona, do you have one question?
Go ahead, Fiona.
The money and stuff that you got from Kim, did you share any of it with Rain?
The money and stuff
that you got from Kim, it's sounding to me a bit like a romance scam. And also, I believe that I think you got enough from her. That's why you were willing to let her go.
Willing to let her go?
Yeah, you chose Rain over Kim because you've got enough out of Kim. You don't need Kim anymore.
You watch her videos, right? Where she tell you about me find out say Ray, she a cheat, right? She see with the body. Did you watch that video?
No, but what I'm by listening to you guys right now.
Answer you. No, I got answer everything else if you want. So it sounds like a romance. It can't be a romance scam if both parties don't know. That's the first thing.
Okay, so nothing you got from Kim, you share with Rain.
When Rain, if Kim gives me money, you know what it does? It becomes my money. You understand? And when Kim gives me money, I do specific things with it.
Okay, she said you sent her a list that has C-section on it. Why would you send somebody a list that has C-section for a baby from another woman?
Because guess what, Fiona? That's my to-do list. Everything is on it. I never look at her and said, do the C-section. Do what you can on the list. That's my to-do list. Everything is on it. I never crop nor nothing. I sent it as it is in my phone.
Okay, so you're saying that she knew from the get-go that you have a baby on the way?
Yeah, she knows that I have a baby on the way.
Not for
babies, plural.
Okay, I'm just trying to clarify because, you know, by listening to you guys and, you know, I was just wondering if Rain got anything from what Kim was giving to you.
Everything I have, I'm going to explain something to you. Everything I have, I put it into the people in my life. You understand?
Okay.
So if Kim send me 100,000, I'm going to buy something at 95 left. I may have something to do with Rain for 5,000, I'm going to spend it on her. And guess what? It's not even her. It's somebody else, one cousin or a relative want 10,000. I may have 10,000 and I'm going to spend it on them. That's it. And guess what? If I ever want something directly for Rain, I look at her and say, you know what, I want to do this though, and at this, and I Rain it I go to. I did say that. If I go to Rain, I say I Rain it I go to. Ask her.
So nothing was a secret for Kim. Nothing was a secret.
The only thing Kim never know is that I'm still with Rain. That's the secret. That's the secret. And Rain never knows I'm involved with Kim. That's the secret too.
All right. Thanks for clarifying. All right.
Again, guys, this is not no maths class where y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 at the gradient of the line. It's straightforward.
Rain does not work. So as when I look after her, walk on look after her. So obviously it was my money that was looking after her, basically. If you buy the food and put it at the house, Rain have to eat. She's not pregnant. You say she can't let farmer ass.
No must have to take care.
Okay, with my money, so that's what the lady was asking.
So Kim, you forget this. When I asked you for anything, or has ever asked you for anything, it was for specific things. Anything else, I me do it. Anything me ever ask if I have one exact what it's going to do. So that can be used to take care of nobody.
Azor.
Yeah.
You know, so when people upset, right, and hurt, them say a lot of things.
I know that, Blinga. That's why I never go for her. I just make sure she say.
All right, and the next thing. you choose, you see, because you choose Rain, can you come tell us say you did in a 2 relationship, you know? And then you chose Rain. So now, you're saying you chose Rain because she's the mother of your child? That's the reason?
I gave it a lot of thought. At the end of the day, love is also a part of it. Cause guess what now? If somebody on or off and on or off, obviously there are good reasons. The kids are let me tell you something. Family are everything for me. And me love the girl.
So why if you did what would have happened if Kim was pregnant too? Who you that choose?
No, I made my decision, Blinga.
Would you choose any of them if Kim was also pregnant? Or you just continue to go on with the 2 of them?
I made my decision, Blinga. We don't want to go into the if and but category.
Alright then. So you led her on.
I want to say something. You see, I'm not hurt by the fact that he chose her. He's always claiming from day one.
Yes, that's what I'm going to know. That's what I'm going to. So I want you to know now, say, Azur, you played Kim. Did you know that?
No, I accepted it because if I pretend and tell lie, it's fair to say that I play her, but I won't.
Alright, Kim, so guess what now? Wait, Azur, nobody sink yourself. We just cut you off because I know you sink yourself so further. So Kim, listen.
Blinga, hold on, Blinga, hold on.
Kiss the baby like your mama.
Moderator, clean up my chat. Me don't want nobody disrespect her or him. Them never have to overhear, guys. We don't have to behave with themselves. Stop it. We don't support the live goal. We need one chamuma bumbo. We need 1,000. Look here, man. When me sitting there. When me live goal. Jesus. When I support the live goal, it's hand heart. Jesus Christ, me can't see it. Me have live goal up the people. Come on, a gift time. Everybody send gift. We need 1,000 hand heart. We have too much people on the live, so we not get 1,000 hand heart. We not start send. Sure. All right, Azur, me I gonna tell you this. Thank you everybody for the hand heart. Thank you Richie Lost. You're awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah, man, we need 1,000 and 9 nights, yeah, man. You can't on a one guy road, I got party, no, they over Blinga, mix up Blinga. So listen now. Kim, you know me not take side when me do stuff. People don't go say me take side, me not take side. Kim, me hear your part of the story, and now me hear for Azur. Like how Azur take accountability for everything when do, and he did wrong. How you feel now? Like how you feel to hear this? Because him admit same play you.
Listen, I don't know. Alright, so over the weekend I went away and I say, you know what, let me just get this out of my system. You understand? But the whole thing about the fact that he lied from day one, you understand? It did I try to get over. You understand? He basically pay me and use me at the same time. You understand? If he didn't come to me from day one, I say, you know what? Me and my baby mother are still there, but we're on and on. You understand? Then we not leave him alone because I don't want to take up nobody burden for my head. You understand?
Yeah.
So, the accept said, yes, I was being played. You understand?
Cartoon.
Blinga.
Yes.
Blinga, no, I forgot Blinga.
Yeah, man, me know they call you for the live now. That's fine.
Me just ask
how me reach your person?
Me just ask him.
How me reach in the box?
It's just easier for the back before. You don't look good. And
alright, sorry.
Are you want me over here?
So make if we are go court, just make it to
But Azur, me I go tell you something. Azur, listen to me. And listen to me good. You hear me?
Yeah.
You're no idiot. You're no idiot and you're no fool. I see that. But may I say this to you? You see that big pussy girl there, that so good boy, they will call your phone like while and tell her to come off of the live. Everything did happen on this, on social media. And everything they on social media. You understand? You see them people you have in your ears, Azure. You have to learn to make choices and decisions for yourself. Because them never did it one time you have bumbleclot, what you call it, Leader and Kim. Them never did it one time you and Kim a fuck. Them never did it one time you and Rain a do on a do. So you see them set up people you in your ears all Azure. Them feel lift up off for your blood clot and go. Because guess what? You not dep on the media because it's happened on the media. So don't make nobody come tell about this no look good and that no look good. Them never know say it no look good one time you did that do what you did that do. You never know say it no look good. Me rate you. I'm not going to end on my mouth and talk. Me rate you right now because you take accountability for your action them and because you admit say you use the girl. Me don't talk. Big up yourself and me thank you for come. But remember me tell you, no make no batty boy or no so good girl come tell about you know for dep on ya. Upon your side happen. Yes, it happen pan. And I hear some money. And this your money I should take send you. And this your money I should take help you with the car. VIX money. Trading. Online money. Them go suck them mother. Them ever want call people with the palm live I explain things. You can't call me no opportunist because I never big scheme as you're not yet. Suck your mother. Executor. Lift up the batty boy from after this. You're crazy. You and your 40 badge got chuck off up in our mother. But opportunist. Big up yourself as you are. I hope you and Vix can find work out something like how Vix him admit everything Vix. Him come and him admit everything in front of a whole heap of people. So may I try to make you see you can look into that little bit even though you feel how you feel.
I might consider it.
Yeah, but here what? Just follow your mind, Nobody make because Blinga said this or people said this, you go whatever. If you want to go through with your court case and whatever, you go through with it. A your feeling, a your money, a your art, a your car, a your everything. You understand? But something came. Nobody no perfect. And him still same wrong. On every level him still same wrong. Every man the same wrong. I mean, I give no right. Cause I'm fucked up. You understand? No, people. Anybody see Rain belly? Anybody see Rain belly if you know if Rain pregnant for you? Cause Rain are the next one where I have to go worry about, because baby mother is a fucking convict. Yes, she's wanted in Trinidad and Tobago. Rain is on TikTok scamming people talking about she have to go drain water out her brain. Yeah, and it's not alleged. Me want Rain sue me. Me want Rain sue me. Yeah, because what Rain do is wrong. What Rain is doing is wrong. Wrong on every level to the youth. Yeah, not because in blood clot mislead or big scheme and everything. Them fi cut off your neck. No, we don't want to cut off your neck, but like a punishment, but not the cut off neck punishment. So
on my live I say, and I will say this is for those who now coming in, this is Rain. This is the thief. Posted on social media via the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service, June 8, 2022. Today is what the 18th. The 18th. So actually today make it 1 year and 10 days since this fucker was arrested. Since this for 1 year and 10 days.
All right. So guys, her name is Lydia George. And in 2015, she was fired from her job, Francis Fashion and Store Locker. You understand? She stole the sum of $642 TT currency. That's like $120 petty fucking thief. She was charged 2 years in Trinidad for offenses such as larceny. However, she was granted bail by the TGE local court. The court is still ongoing, and she didn't appear in person when it was the last hearing. All right. No. Hold on, the people. So her real name is Lydia Decia George. At the time, I think she was 27. Now she must be 29 or 30. I don't know. Has been charged with 1 count of larceny. She was granted $30,000 bail from Justice of the Peace, Stephen Young, on July 7. Miss George of Tamerlane Heights, yada yada yada, whatever, was arrested on June 6 by officer of the fraud squad. She is expected to appear in Port of Spain Magistrate Court on June 30. According to the police reports, between June 25th and 30, the suspect allegedly led a man to believe that she was in a position to purchase 2 Nike trousers, 1 Nike t-shirt, and 2 XR iPhones. She was paid $6,265 for the items. They were to be purchased online and delivered to the man. George failed to deliver the items as promised and failed to offer a refund to the victim. A report was subsequently made to the fraud squad and an investigation was conducted. Following the investigation, the suspect was arrested and subsequently charged by WPC Kennedy with the offense of larceny. No, people, she went to Jamaica. Vic's Queen paid her fare to go to Jamaica. They're looking for her in Trinidad and Tobago as we speak. She says she is lying and she can go back. So prove it. Let's see. If you go over to Facebook in Yank Nation, on Yank Nation page, I repeat, Yank Nation page, and ask about Rain, the things that Azure will see would bust his eardrum. So right now, if the Jamaica Constabulary Force pick this up, Azure can be charged for harboring a fugitive out there in Jamaica. And the people in Jamaica, please be careful of Rain. I have picture of her. Let me show you. She is a criminal. And the way how she look, this I want to call the fame. Yeah, this is what you call the fame. Yes, Young Nation on Facebook. So let us see you sue me, baby. I don't like no thief in my country trying to fucking scam my people.
I know, and once I stand on, I did a leave. I left.
This is what the face look like.
See, I even shake the man.
So you want
good luck, thank you very much, bye.
This girl
my shake your fucking hand and tell it
calling you or stealing you from you. She
on my way back home and message him. I hate you so much right now.
She is on TikTok right now, scamming people, telling people that she needs to go do brain shit. I don't know, some shit with her brain. Wait, let us see what it is.
But I still
let her know. Let her tell Uno what she says she have to go do. I have to go drain fluids in my head tomorrow because I have a brain tumor and my boss doesn't bleed. And my ears does leak when the fluid pile up. So I have to drain it every 6 months. Asshole supposed to send me the money. The asshole what she attack is Azure. So that's how she style him. Asshole supposed to send me the money to do it because my appointment is for 11 tomorrow. And cause we done, he say no. And I move into this apartment Wednesday gone. So I don't have it. And TikTok slow for me. And I don't get money till month. The girl in the carrot, she can't spell it and them something on a typo, because it's more than 10 bumbleclad word. Fucking need correction. So I wanted to ask for it, borrow me. Not ask people for bun, but this is my health. So me I take the pride out of it. So yes. So the guy send her the money, right? You know something? Big screen. Some of the questions that I want to ask, I cannot ask because of the court issue. So I don't know when you finish court if you feel like you can come over here.
Yeah, definitely. Once the court case finish, I'll come back.
All right. I'm gonna ask you how you feel tonight because my sister, you're very humble because the gentleman was here on the live and you hold your composure. So
I'm not, so anybody that knows me on here, I'm a very humble person. You understand? I don't give no trouble. I come on here and keep myself quiet. I just come on here to talk about my trading. I know I can help people make money.
All right, tell them about that. Yes, that know why you tell them before you leave. Yes. Tell them what you do.
For those persons who are on here and interested in a VIX go away, you want to hear about this car right now. You broke die car where your name here. You broke. So, no man, go for what? But if somebody would tell me be a lie, I would not even shed a tear. Listen, as good as always Vic was, that not the bad for. Can't be a lie and tell if I'm the one. You understand? Brother boys, I think when we did a share. So we make a ball for. What we make a ball for? And first, brother boy in there something on front. So we make a ball for. Please. Anyway, like I was saying, I do teach trading. I've been trading for the last 4 years, right? This is what I do full time. I don't work outside of here. I can travel when I want. Yes, son. We can go anywhere I want. We can spend anything when I want. Right? Good. So like I said, if you're interested in trading, or if you want to know how the trading go, make sure you follow me. I go live every day, not this weekend, because this weekend is my birthday weekend. Right? If you want to learn Forex, if you want to learn VIX. For the VIX classes, you basically pay 10,000 Jamaican dollars. Right? You come on, I tell you what trades to get in, and you trade your own money. At the moment, I'm not taking on any more account management, which is where I trade for you. You understand? What kind of trading? VIX. I just said it. So if you know you can't, if you know you don't have no understanding, you can't follow instruction, this is not for you. It's not a scam. This is no easy come up, and this is not an overnight thing. You understand? It's called trading. If you go on my page, you can see people get payouts, you can see all of these things. You understand? So yes. So me and the brand mash up the car? No sir, I won't be doing that. That's not my style. Yeah, that's not my style. What is for us in the USA? Forex. For those who are in the Caribbean, you can trade VIX. For those who are overseas, you can do Forex. What's the difference between both of them? One of them is controlled by news and society. The next one is not controlled by anything. You understand? So that's what it is.
So people, what you can do, you can follow her, because guess what? I know what she does. So you can follow her. She and when you follow her, I think you keep class or so. You have classes.
I go live every day.
Yeah, you follow her, and whoever want to trade, you don't bother with the fuckery. You understand? So just follow her for people who are interested. Yada yada yada. Alright, Vix, me I go add some people. Me don't want to add them up here with you, because me don't want nobody to disrespect you over here.
Alright, I'll see you later. Thank you.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
People, me not add on because una come up and una come argue with the lady. And una understand and have some manners when time you see me do something. Everything is not all about arguing. You understand? Me not like it.
Miss Bling, me only the only one said to Kim say, for future references, whenever I do them something regarding like Azure if you pay for the vehicle, she have to put the vehicle in a fair name, and when Azure don't pay for it, she give him the title.
Me not think the judge are go make Azure walk away with the car like that, because Kim supposed to have the receipt.
That may I say or have the title.
So Azure, somebody in Azure is. somebody in the Azure ears because them call him and tell him to come off of the live there and talk about mix up something. I know how them deal, but may I tell you this? Upon TikTok it happen.
Blinga, let me say something real quick. You know that's not the first time that Azure name called on scamming, because I heard Coco said he scammed her.
Well, Coco and him did there now. I must did have sex. Something me here. I never know it fully go.
Yeah, they were messing around and he took her information. Her bank information and her ID.
Yeah, there.
He's a little scammer. You can't trust him.
So that means they know say Ray a thief.
Most likely. They're all in it together. Coco here. Let Coco come up and say her
people
piece.
support the live goal. Come, live goal. Everybody come. Let's go.
Yeah, somebody asked which Coco. Coco, I think she from overseas. And he scammed her, a little wicked.
God almighty. You're there.
I tell you, I don't trust these men.
Huh?
If I did want a woman do a man that, what you just say?
That's not what we're dealing with right now.
No, but that's an axiom, man.
Thank you. What's your name? Mixed breed. We're talking about this. We're talking about what you
man.
What you want me to say? You
dealing with right now.
Tell me what you do.
Let me not try the case.
Woman,
no, me not pick up for none of them, but me I try the case. You see, me I take up for any of them. Me I listen to the two of them.
Me not thought. Me I say if it been the table the turn, what you just say?
Why do men do this?
Just try the case. Me that do the review same way.
Exactly.
What you want? Try say GS99. What you want?
Me know a woman where I'm still like that. They try one woman happen to them. Then go on the most way. But if I did the other way around,
but man, woman do this to a man do this to, you know. So what you say?
But the thing is, Blinga, men are not gonna find an issue because, all right, men take care of women. You understand what I'm saying? It's a societal norm to take care of a woman as a man. You get what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Like if a man is messing with a woman, he knows that he's gonna have to fork out some money, and it's not gonna be considered as a scam.
No, that unfair. I want to stay some man.
You know what I want to say in this. I don't know if it's too early. I want to say Azure and his case that he has is bullshit. Talking about defaming character and all these things. I just feel like that is fuckery.
Yo, but not for nothing. I'm gonna say this. Knock you out. Nobody feel like when you meet these Jamaican men, they be begging. Quick to beg, yo. I don't like that.
Well, guess what? Mixed breed me always I tell you say so it goes. So you have to move with the time. If you are gonna get a Jamaican man mixed breed, you better prepare for fuck up. So
my man is European, Blinga. My man is European.
All right.
Miss Bling, good night. Good night, Miss Bling. How are you?
What? Let me add some.
I was actually listening. But I have only one thing to say. And I think it's all about we as women need to adjust this. We need to stop compromising the red flags that we see in relationships. There were a lot of red flags for for big screen was showing to her, and she was just compromising them moving forward. There was just too much that was showing up in her face, and she chose to still continue the relationship. From the moment she finds out that he has somebody else, or he's with somebody else, or seen somebody else, then she quit. That's the whole point. That's just all that I have to say. The red flags, we need to just stop compromising the red flags that we see.
I agree with you. Because I am saying, every time he comes to him, the boy is too smooth. The way he talk like he's more intelligent than anybody else. And when he's talking, it's like Vix, the lady, know that the money was supposed to fund him and the other lady. Like, why every time he keep going to the lady for fund his lifestyle with his other chick? Into smooth Miss Bling, a scammer and be that me tell her.
I have a question. The last part there, me not hear. What the last part you say?
Me say him too smooth, him a scammer. Him too smooth. You know, see how he calm and collective, no matter what, nothing and get under his skin. That's something what the boy used to all the time. Please.
You see, if him never scam Kim, him know the same scam Kim. Because
scam when
Kim have the receipt.
What do you mean a scam? Yeah,
Kim know everything what him did want and she give him. But as where Sam say, him smooth with it. Him smooth with it. But the only thing me can tell him, you see him and Rain, I gotta get where the duck I gotta get.
Especially Rain, because Rain file very dirty and messy.
Miss Bling, right now in Batty, I got to take it because some things about you tell him he don't know. He don't know.
Yeah, true.
And him a big girl tell him be a lie and be a hypocrite.
What me can't understand again, I know me not see a woman being up on the app to see the result of how we are going to hack her. I pay a man to say bingo. I know a woman can't come with a case like this.
One thing hurt me the most. You see, one thing hurt me the most.
You know when that, man.
Him talk about list. Him send her list.
Outer order.
List.
Very outer order with the list with all the girl C-section. Outer order.
Exactly. That's what I'm talking about.
Him don't outer order. Him don't outer order and him didn't put a gun to Kim head. Him don't outside. Too much thing showing at Kim face.
But here I don't understand
too much
that, but love is blind.
Into Kim face.
Love is blind sometimes.
Can I say something? I want to go against the grain here, and I just want to say, like, I just feel like people treat you how you allow them to treat you. And I don't know the full story because I didn't come on from the beginning of like the whole Azor or whatever his name is and Kim and Rain situation, but I got a little bit of the what was going on, and I just say that like people treat you how you allow them to treat you, and like the way this guy was speaking, clearly he knows what he did wrong. And homegirl was just like,
maybe
he knows what he did wrong. Yes.
Look here,
the thing is, him smooth with it.
To be honest,
because him know what he was doing.
Yes, honey.
Yes, honey. 109.
Yes, honey, buddy.
I'm sorry for Kim, and I don't sorry for Kim. Kim know everything where she go through.
Yeah.
Kim know everything what she going through. The only thing now, me don't know how film and them quote thing I go on, Me don't know for them quote thing I go on now. Cause sit down and talk good pan the live.
No man, Kim humble. No man, you that surprised.
No, but you cannot humble in court.
Kim love struck. Kim is love struck.
No man, no.
Yeah, she's still hurting.
She's still hurting.
Well, woman, I tell her say, me give her right and me give her wrong. Kim have to know what to say. Kim have to know what to answer. Remember, big coach go in,
Yes,
Kim still want back Azure.
No. Remember, say Kim is a trader, you African talk to
she want back Azure, but Azure sure says Rain him want.
Yes.
So what more than that you want?
I feel say Azure did basically plan it with Rain.
Yes.
Azure know everything we want. All we matter about him know say Rain a scammer. Say she want it.
You must know our background. You can't do it somebody for so long and don't know them background.
You know, when Miss Bling say if he knows them have a court, he no sound shock or anything because he know exactly. You see all the brain thing, maybe he sit down right there when the girl tell him about the brain thing. You don't know them scammer, yeah? You don't know them?
You know what me would want him do? You say if the car for sell and make me get my part and make him get him part and make it one.
And Jamaica again we talk about, we talk about Jamaica. So we have to know too and Kim have to be careful too. We can't me never say so. Me not say so. Me say so. Me not say so, but me say you have to be careful in time like these.
He must get the car. He could end up with it. And him too out of the too. Some things so him attack. Him attack like him intelligent and him smooth.
Yeah.
Smooth with it.
Hey,
Him brainwash Kim.
Him
brainwash her.
Good as the boy
because he must say him about do payment in a November. We are November. Look how far November then.
Listen up.
And
You
no,
know,
no,
the boy
go
no
do.
bother.
No payment now go do.
The boy not even a bother none of you know see not bother the boy. You know see?
Like a man shirt.
I don't think anything is gonna come out of his side of that defamation, so-called defamation shit. I have my reasons. Because the judge with them at Jamaica watch with every day. I kind of bumble clap.
Bling. You see, look a while when Azure come off of the phone, it's not nobody in the Azure ears. Rain have this thing where every time Azure says something she not like, she threaten for leave with the baby and she threaten for unalive herself. And that have gone you. You know as we speak. That's why me have to come off. Me I tell you that. A Rain I promise to leave with the baby or unalive herself. A mad girl.
You know them that well? You know them that well?
No, but them talk about it all the time. Azure talk about it or she threaten all the time. As she's sick. Rain is not an easy person.
So
that's why he mute the phone and then them say I have to come off.
That's why Azure choose Rain.
What can go
so?
I bet you'd come out, and that's why she probably walk down the street right now naked, but she'll go away.
But you know, said that's not
maybe
good.
Maybe them I work with. I work against
like
him.
that.
Listen, I miss Big me not sorry for him because listen, same thing when you do, girl.
She know him want the twins and him want a family.
God not sleep, you know. God don't sleep. And everything when him do Kim, he get it back, pay back.
True.
And remember, me tell you, God don't sleep. And me never like when him attack and attack about.
Let me tell you what happened to Rain,
when Kim send money come, him give gay Rain and all them something there. Remember tell you
under my skin.
Yeah, I gotta get it back. I remember you say to come back, come talk.
So now you know I never like when Miss Blinga talk and she come out when Miss Bling start read out Rain filing and she come out well hot and fire up, you know. And so when Miss Bling start take a corner them and I go down in a hit. All Mrs. Quiet I must that thing can't take him out killing himself.
And that are going right now. All the while she do it to Azure. She
and the guy go in here everything what happen now, so it's a most
that's how she control Azure.
I like how you deal with him a while ago. I don't like it.
More killing yourself and no cash in and know something where man never be know.
Yes. A problem, no problem.
You know some me not care if she kill herself.
Unalive, say unalive.
Me not care if she unalive herself. You know why? Me worried about my Jamaican people that were out there and struggle and she go rob them.
Royal Bobby, you're right. Azure don't care. It not go shake him because Azure is an expert smooth talker.
You know, you're all missing ask him say, if the two of them get pregnant, which one them with a way name? I'm still can't answer.
Oh no.
Yes, man, you have to because Vix can't scam and that's why I choose shit, Ray.
Yeah.
But Vix can't, but Vix I get her one honest.
No, him choose Vix. Him choose Vix because Rain have him when want him. Rain plan to unalive himself and the baby.
Yeah. The baby man, baby and herself.
Him choose Rain. If Rain was
and that Azure deal with right now as we speak. So look when
my lady asked him if Kim was pregnant, if he would have choose Kim instead of she.
If I'm making choice,
answer,
you're making decision. If I'm making decision. So this is what me I say. How the girl have water to leak out her head and pregnant with twin?
I'm not lying. That's a thing. She not should have they
in a high risk clinic right now. She should not have run up and down. Come on now.
But every minute how me a drop in the Rain situation from Azure.
All the way you are say Miss Blinga. All the way you are say him already know. So you don't just attack in vain. Him not look for you.
He know. And him and I do
everything.
Good as all we go on. Good as all we go on Trinidad, he know about it too.
Jesus.
But he don't tell other one here knows him see me there.
Yeah, no can't go on. Who like scammer? They talk on the ears of our.
All of them slow people, yeah.
If I like big skim, I got the present with our picture and everything. Make sure go well.
Yeah, that's true, because we are Jamaican.
Everything we are going.
Yeah, because she ever go like a scam Jamaica people.
And she pretty, she have a pretty face, so it will fool the people them for true.
She's a pretty mad girl.
That's me I run from. That's me I run from. Oh, me have to protect my Jamaica people them.
Yes, if you go back to Trinidad.
You can't go back over there wanted.
Can you imagine how when he come to Kimbo the car?
Probably I'll tell
her, say, listen, I'm going to make sure buy me a car, you know.
The investigator over Trinidad want the address where Rain there, Jamaica.
Bumbo.
Yep. No worry. Miss Bling, no worry, you can inbox, we can get it.
I don't know if you know which part, know the address.
Vix no, Vix said she go there.
What kind of thing they put on now? Informer thing now, Informer the turn now.
What you call informer? You think the upper rap people that tell lies say your brain tumor is cute?
Rain for lift up.
Rain for
one man come back, come talk, say and say
get back free money. When your tongue, so you can stay there for about a brain tumor.
It bring me happy say you stop him help people because you see what happened today? You see that lady there where the girl called, the one where named Raquel, me never too trust her with the little boy. Me don't know why. Cause them compare with them sickness and say them sick and a scam for true.
Yeah, them are crosses.
Them have the sickness and a hustler for them own sickness. So we can go so.
Remember say half our people in the on TikTok not so smart, you know.
I have some rest of people who want to come up, guys. I'm going to talk and come down.
Oh, I want to say one more thing about the Coco thing. All right, so remember say Azor did with Coco too, you know. Azor did a flirt with him, other gifter them, and him moderators them. Because of that Azor do. Like the ladies say, Azor is very smart and very smooth. No, Coco, she know, she do the same thing as far as she just walk up and down on the app and fuck off the rank of them. Yeah. So Coco figure sit down.
Yeah, there.
About 3-4 ranker scam Coco. That's why she can't say nothing.
So Coco sexier man?
No, not my man, the ranker them.
Oh. You're there.
That's a reach again.
I'm not easy, you know.
Can't you reach a gauge?
But Coco a big shooter.
Big shooter. Have our money, but boy, me don't know. Crush King, Gauge, the next Rasta one, all of them.
Gauge?
Gauge on her, yeah.
I wonder if she did got Jamaica at the time when she did take the picture of the seaside.
I don't know. She should just come in there.
Wanna really?
Coco with the 44 badge.
Then read for you. Lord Jesus. I can't bother.
Coco mattress.
So how you know that? So she put them at the prayer.
The man them talk.
Man, that's Nazareth.
Man, them out that too.
Good night, everybody. I was actually going to stay out of this tonight because enough of my business but you up here I tell people that me fuck the whole app. One person me date on the app and that Azor. One person. And one person me fuck on the app and that Azor. So please don't tell them.
Azor did scam you?
And I'll say nothing about none of that at this point. All I can tell you is that everything, I'm going to take accountability for everything that me shoot and me recharge on this app. Okay. If I recharge, my responsibility that. But what I won't take accountability for is the things that he did off this app. And everybody know what that is. I'm not come here to start more drama or expose more information because we do this from last year. And nobody believed me then, so why would I think that you'll believe me now?
But you've never spoken to me before. Me.
Yes, but at this point, like I've just decided to stay out of it because there's a whole other issue going on with somebody else's, and there's legality involved. So I have decided to decline that at this point.
All right.
The only thing that come up here to clear is that people say that I'm gonna walk up and down and fuck the app. Oh no, just so disappointed to see that somebody. Listen here. You're so mad to see somebody that support people genuinely. Most of the people that I shoot for, I don't even have their phone numbers. Like, say what you want to say, but don't say it on my name. Go and pick on somebody else because you can't bully me. I'm not the one.
Them might cause the scam about them a liar.
Everybody want to say something when they have something to say, but they don't want to say it to my face. Say it to my face.
But not argue with Coco. We don't know or know.
Then that's fine. You know what you know, but you don't know who I fucked. I know who I fucked, and a one person a day on this app. So if me want, I may never fuck him. I never even meet him in a real life. I may shoot for him. That's it. I never even meet him in a real life. So what you for say now? I mean, like, you people just love to make things up on this app. If a news you want and a stories you want, then go ahead and tell them. I don't care. It don't affect my real life. But me to come up here and tell you that a one person a day on the app and that's it.
Empress, no watch them.
So, I mean, again, one, you can say me walk up and down. Most of the people me shoot for me either know their significant other or may not even have their phone number or whatever. I mean, a genuine person may support people. Yeah, of course, everybody on the app flirt here and there. I don't care about that. But not even look on that kind of stuff. But if you want to come up here and say to spread my legs for people, boy, may I come up in this box and tell you off because when I do that. So now what?
Go tell off. You can't tell off me.
Too much. Go get a fucking life. You love people business too much.
All right, Mama.
All right. Good night, guys.
Good night.
Okay, Coco. Well, here what one you know. This not make no sense because anyway, what else do I have to say, people on here? Because listen, we people who wants to come in the box.
Miss Blinga.
Yeah.
Me come to talk about Azure. Azure active for a long time enough and the boy I work at Sutherland. All humanizer.
Oh, you know.
Me used to work at Sutherland. The boy take the people them partner money, but how him a go join partner now? No, until this them can't get them.
Here you are.
Blinga. I'm trying to mix up things, but the woman them want up here talk. Who come in woman come up? A non-Jamaican woman come up here and badding up and beating up.
Yeah,
shut up.
Coco, I go to Alma.
Yes, I them down because Coco come up here and nobody now talk back to Coco.
Blingas make them love Coco. Coco a good girl, yeah.
Me embarrassed so no.
Boy Roger, me not trouble them, me just listen.
Me embarrassed, I swear to God. Me there watch thing and me name not come back.
Them love me, Coco.
What's up? Everybody quiet. Everybody quiet. All right, everybody quiet. All right then, so when I come up here, come say something. We need enough to support the live goal. We need 1,000 donuts. Let's go.
Support this blood clot over here.
Hurry up.
Bag.
Ma.
Judge.
Hurry up, man.
Blingas. One thing do I know. When the business gets right, you alone can't keep the session, you know. And them ever bad and show though, them are cars.
Them can come in and keep my show. Remember now. I just come out here and try to look something and I tell them me have the case. But this can't go to court because me can't ask certain things because them in a court. If I'm in a court now, Roger, me have to just chat lightly. You understand?
Word, understood.
Yeah, but me get a file for race. Look good.
Needed a little still
And a real thing, you don't feel like say if you have a whole look a TV show go on. I mean, what's life? I feel say you forget a boss at this point, honestly. You know them people with taste mad
them not support me. Them not support me. One them start support me. That's why me I discipline them to support me.
You think big. I mean nah like Miss Bling. I love you every day, watch you every day without you. I not go come on TikTok. You don't have a buzz, you have a thing where you need to get a person like a producer or somebody to give a show for you. You have it.
I have show, man, no worry. I have my show.
You have it. And I tell you, a Jamaican boss right now, and look at Case Madison people, they will have them talk show and them something there.
No, man, I still have it. No worry yourself.
You have a thing, Miss Bling. You have a thing.
You're tuned into Blinga's Live. What's poppin', beautiful?
Raja, go be co-host.
Mighty God, I'm daddy and baby to my shop. The people in spread down.
But look here, look here. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you this go for truth.
Who
that? That person need to come down.
Come down out of this.
You see the people them on the internet, what the story them on the internet, you think is a mix-up. It's not a mix-up. Listen why it's not a mix-up. It's happened on social media.
Look at the place.
You know that woman the name Chi? Or the woman the name Kerry, I want to name. Hey, who know we don't know
Raja.
So nobody person always but I just want
alright, take down the person. Wait, sorry, don't come up. The person, don't come up.
Hi Roger.
Hi.
This now works out.
Bye. Blinga need a show.
Hello?
Nice and easy woman.
Roger, you're not beg to come. Why? What? Roger.
Yeah.
You know see how much woman over here?
Ladies, me I sell my cock. It's big and full of vein. Ladies, you know come.
I'm gonna call Stan right now.
Pretty, you know.
I'm gonna call Stan right now.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, full up the whole of them stomach.
Roger. You're not beg tonight.
You did a beg earlier, but be tired. So, cause remember when you're begging, you're more tired, you know. Time you only have to beg, me have to take on the world. So me have to cuss while me a beg. So I'm more tired, so me don't listen to your program.
Me a come off, not too bad.
I was listening to your program.
Okay, let me pin up the PayPal over here so see if me can get 1-2 bills.
Mighty God, Blinga, boy, Jesus. Me I go and listen to programs still. Go and beg. Go and beg. Turn up the begging. I want to know.
Alright, people.
Blinga's badness. Yes,
help me beg because me I need it. I'm not just come up and answer nothing. What have to say?
Marley, here what? You can't watch Blinga's live again. You know me, never know me. I'm moderator over here. I'm a kitchen over page and black you today. And you can't watch Blinga's again, abe. Black you.
Alright, come. So people no look on the left hand corner of the screen over there, so you see my payment method. Please, if you don't can drop something in at it.
Miss Blinga, can I say something real quick and get down?
Yes, miss.
Okay, I'm not normally on this. I normally come for the entertainment and I just watch and get off. But as someone who is associated with law is concerned, please inform Miss Vic that when it comes down to scamming in Jamaica, you have to prove that you are not a scammer. So when the person goes to court, you will have to prove that he's not a scammer, especially because he's associated with a known scammer. She has a good case, she just needs to get a good lawyer. Have a good night.
Okay, I hope Miss Vix can hear, because the people that must scream like her.
What's your name? Fat Cat. You are a wicked girl, you know. Mighty God, what a wicked girl. Jesus. Hey, somebody, I gotta go prison over this blood clot.
Hey, Raja, all right, hold on there. Guys, it's
Somebody,
gift time. Come. Everybody send commercial break. Commercial break. Everybody send something, please. In the payment method. The PayPal is over there. Guys, I need 300 to go to where the place name, Raja, where you buy this something for 100K. What is the name?
Party City.
Party City. Guys, look. I need to go to Party City. Everybody, please support the live goal. Thank you, Empress. Come on. Look, your man, no stop it.
Yeah, stop it.
Come on, man. I need to go to Party City. Everybody send a hand heart. We need 1,000 hand heart tonight. Come on.
Send up the hand heart, them, man.
Yeah, man, and stop it.
My begging skills over here, so come here.
And Raja, them come, me sit down and me give them entertainment in the comfort of their own home. And them not.
I'll need it entertain to come over here.
Talk, Raja. Cost them for me.
On a blood clot. Hey, when I come up with 2 hands out, and I make a big bang in this blood clot.
One Empress cross the board. Come on, man.
Empress, yeah, good girl. Empress, that's something know your man now run up your blood pressure now. Some on the girl over here on a lonely one living alone. And some on a boy. And blingers are feeling no void. And not even what hands out, no too terrible.
Yeah, man.
Blood clot terrible. Yeah, man, that's why she left them in a blood clot depression. Cut off the live. I left them in a depression.
You want me cut off the live, Raja?
No, me I'm boring. I'm sorry.
Because, Raja, look, from even there, I entertain them. From Evelyn, you send $1 $5 in the PayPal over there, so come on.
Yeah, come like you never gonna call for backup. So you're there and them not send nothing, now you don't call for the begging. Remember me name begging Pro Max. Remember the whole of we are beggar over here, but me a beggar Pro Max.
But you never debout,
Me a beggar Pro Max, so wait, me deal with it.
Alright, guys, you send something in the payment method over there.
Yeah,
so.
cash up PayPal or Zelle, 100K Party City. Beggar Pro Max there. When I put blingers thing no man, I want to no man blood claw. Hey, me gonna start blingers, me I start throw some suck me at the crowd. Hey, some people start duck. Empress duck and them good people they duck. Come here, throw some suck me at the crowd. Hey, blingers, me see a girl over here, fear man. No stop bun she over here in Azure problem and Vix. Mighty God, me see her name. Come up blingers when I see her name. That girl let the blood clot. The man fuck panala eye tap. Jesus Christ, a mercy lady left blingers chat because your life was fix. Oh my God, I got to preach the gospel blingers. Blingers, I want to give her a segment blingers. All our cousin the man a fuck.
The girl cousin?
Yeah. The
Raja, how you know?
And the cousin will live at the house with them at that. Mighty God, a girl left the live and come out of people business and move and stop it. And let people blood clot. I wish man this, dear Christopher Campbell. How this?
I don't know why up here do. Come down, man. Come down.
Dear Christopher.
If you not come up here, come support me. Look here, support time. We need for Party City.
Dear Christopher Campbell just pose like a statue to blood class.
Roger, from evening, me sit down for my body and get the people them sure. When me forget the Party City money is a problem.
Might I get cheers sore?
Right? It's not lie.
Listen.
1.8 people. And we can get 1,000 and odd.
Love Ali. TikTok is not a real place. If you don't come over here, I want to cuss me. Remember me, a moderator, black out to the block. My black a man with level 40 since night. So we black anybody.
Just black one of them to level 40.
On a black execution, I know long I want black a blood clot level 40. I just clot a black pan it.
Sure. I'm tired of them.
What you go so? See my private. Where you cover your ears for? Why you not left here? You know use a fake page, see my private, and nobody
know why the people them now gonna